How to cancel Google One subscription. Want to stop your Google One subscription? Here's the safe and simple way to cancel. So first and foremost, go ahead and open Google Play into your mobile device and then click on your profile, which you'd basically find at the top right of your screen. So in here, go ahead and select payment and subscriptions, select subscriptions, and then select Google One. And then at the bottom, you'll find this cancel subscription button. So click on this. Make sure to confirm canceling your subscription and you'll receive a confirmation email. Your storage and benefits remain active until the end of the billing cycle, then revert to the free 15 gig plan. The fastest way is canceling via Google One app or web portal. If subscribed through phone, cancel via Play Store or the App Store. And that is how to cancel Google One subscription.